Good evening, everyone. Warm welcome to Testbook JAIIB CAIIB YouTube channel. My name is Madhav Sir. I welcome you all in a very important session, which is Module C Part 2. We will be discussing next 20 questions for Module C in this particular session. So without any further delay, guys, let's get started. But before I start, if you want to download the PDF of this session, that will be available on our Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel, and even our crash course is live. This is live plus recorded course which is available for you. Do do join this course in order to prepare in a well structured manner for your upcoming examination. Okay, so I guess all good. We are good to go. Take it. Now, a very important announcement. If you're still in a dilemma that whether you should prepare for this examination or not, or whether you should purchase the course or not, I have a good news for you, and the good news is Diwali sale is out and you can join only PPB course for next 9 months at just 8,999, less than a large pizza. And if you want to join for all the papers, it will be available at 2,799, but you have to use a code that is MADHAV, that is Madhav. ठीक है जी? Got it? Good to go. Shall we begin the discussion? I hope you are going to enjoy today's discussion as well. So let's get started with the first question of the day. The first question is, which of the following correctly describes packet switch data communication network used in banking? तो banking में अगर हम बात करें data communication network की, इनमें से कौन सा उसे best define करता? What will be the answer to this particular question? बताइएगा जरा. तो सर इस पॉइंट पे अगर हम बढ़े आगे तो आंसर क्या होगा? पहला, डेटा इज सेंट एज कॉन्टिन्यूअस डेडिकेटेड स्ट्रीम बिटवीन द सेंडर एंड रिसीवर. नो सर. जो अगर हम बात करें ए ऑप्शन की, डेटा इज सेंट एज अ कॉन्टिन्यूअस डेडिकेटेड स्ट्रीम, दिस इज known as circuit switched networks, which is likely used in the early telephone services. So this is not the case. This is wrong. One second. So this is not the case. That is a wrong option. Moving on to the next one. What is the next point? The next point says each message is divided into packets that travel independently across the network. That is correct. So this is the way with the help of which the funds are transferred, with the help of which the funds are basically transferred on a packet switch data. So that is correct. Data transfer happens only via satellite link. No sir. Satellite can be a medium but not defining feature. Next is, it requires a separate dedicated circuit for each session. Dedicated circuit is equals to circuit switched, not equals to packet switch. So this is wrong. So answer is going to be B option. अगला question देखो. In the Indian banking network scenario, which of the following networks primarily connect banks for interbank payment messaging? Primarily connects bank for interbank payment messaging. What will be the answer? So the answer to this particular question is first one, NICNET, that is National Informatics Center, National Informatics Centers government network, but not for banking part. Then we have SWAN, this is state-wide network. Then we have RailTel, this is a telecom infra provided not specifically for interbank data. Lastly, we have Infinet, this is Indian Financial Network. It is a closed user group network set up by IDRBT to interconnect banks securely. So this is correct. B option is the correct answer. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Financial messages follow a structured message transfer system. Which of the following is true about the SWIFT? So about the SWIFT, which of the following is the correct answer? If I go with the correct answers, let's try to identify. Some messages are free text messages are free text. Swift messages are structured and they are coded, so they are not free text. This is wrong. Second is, it supports only domestic fund transfer. No, sir, it is basically for global fund transfer. Then it is managed by RBI. No, sir, Swift is not managed by RBI. Swift is not managed by RBI. Rather, if you ask me, it's an international level network which is managed by Belgium-based cooperative, not RBI. So this is again incorrect. So the last option, which is a correct answer, that is messages. It follows a standardized messages. They follow a standardized format which is identified by message type. So C option is going to be the correct answer. ठीक है जी, clear हो गया point? If it is clear, just give me yes sir, so that we can move on to the next point. Moving on to the next question. Guys, read the next question and give me the answer in the comment section, and excuse me for a minute. Okay, then let's move on to the next question. So the next is correct hierarchy of the two-level fund transfer system. What will be the answer? Sir, in case of the correct hierarchy for the two-level fund transfer system, first one is customer RTGS NACH bank. This is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. Customer SWIFT NPCI RBI unrelated है. Teller ATM switch card network POS terminal, so unrelated to fund transfer hierarchy, because this is basically EFT architecture. So this is not the correct answer. So this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. But if I talk about two-level fund transfer system, in this case branch, then service branch, then clearinghouse, and then RBI, which leads to the final clearing. So two-level means branch sends transaction to service branch, then to clearinghouse, or maybe to RBI, or from clearinghouse to RBI, whatever is required. Next, which of the following was the first electronic fund transfer system introduced by RBI? तो अगर हम RBI की बात करें, RBI has introduced NEFT, RTGS, that is correct. That is correct. EFT, IMPS, but out of all of them, which was the first one? If you ask me, then I would say NEFT 2005, RTGS, if I'm not wrong, 2004, IMPS 2010, but the latest one is, sorry, the oldest one is EFT, that is electronic fund transfer, which was introduced by RBI. It was India's first EFT system, which was piloted in 1990s. Next, which of the following best differentiate between RTGS and NEFT? So RTGS is for small retail payments only. No, sir, RTGS is for retail payments, or RTGS is for payment greater than 2 lakhs. NEFT is a net settlement system. It is not a gross settlement system. RTGS settles in real time. NEFT settles in half-hourly batches, and both are 24/7. That is correct. So C option is the correct answer. Limit is also not same. RTGS minimum limit is 2 lakhs and NEFT minimum limit is 0 plus. Moving on to the next. NPCI enables bulk and repetitive transactions such as salary or dividend credits. So which NPCI system do it? So whether it is UPI provides you with low or retail level transactions also. So that is not correct. National Automated Clearinghouse, we can say yes. IMPS, no sir. Bharat Bill Payment System is a platform which allows you to make your bill payments. But if you want to enjoy bulk push or bulk pull transactions, then it is National Automated Clearinghouse, which is the point of your contact. Next, IMPS system, a key NPCI product, operates only during the banking hours. No sir. Only through the bank branches. No sir. It is available through internet banking. It is done through SWIFT network, not required. So it is a 24/7 365 basis transaction system which is provided by NPCI, where you can transfer the funds instantly, and it's again a real-time settlement like RTGS, but in this case you can even transfer 0 plus in comparison to the other segment, that is RTGS, which is for minimum 2 lakh rupees of transaction. ठीक है जी. Let's move on to the next question. The next question says, which of the following correctly explains the role of NPCI? Which of the following correctly explains the role of NPCI? If you ask me, which of the following correctly explains the role of NPCI, then what will be my answer to this particular question? So then my answer to this particular question would be NPCI is National Payment Corporation of India. It is the body, or I would call it as a retail body for, it's an umbrella body for retail payments. So in that particular case, regulatory oversight of all banks, development and operation of retail payment infrastructure. So answer is going to be B option. Answer is going to be what, sir? It's going to be B option. Next. Which system enables bill payment through interoperable agents and digital platforms? Interoperable agents as well as digital platforms. So in case of NACH, that is National Automated Clearing House, it's for bulk clearing. NEFT is for fund transfer, not billing. Aadhaar enabled payment system is Aadhaar based transaction, but Bharat Bill Payment System is integrated bill payment system, which is run by NPCI, and it allows the bill payment through interoperable agents as well as digital platforms. So that is correct. Moving on to the next point. In the Swift message type MT103, the code 103 indicates what? The code 103 indicates what? So in that particular case, see, when we talk about a general ledger transaction, so general ledger transaction starts with GL, so this is incorrect. A single customer credit transfer, then we have bank to bank. In case of bank to bank transfer, it is MT202. A corporate loan request is not in the Swift category format, but yes, MT103 describes a single customer credit transfer, a single customer credit transfer. So keeping that in mind, answer is going to be B option. ठीक है जी, clear हो गया point. Let's move on to the next one. Moving on to the next question. What does the next question says? Let's check it out. NEFT uses which message structure and standard? NEFT इनमें से कौन सा message structure और standard use करता? Swift is not used. It's for international transactions, but structured financial messaging system format aligned with ISO 20022 is the correct answer for XML based secure messaging. So that is a correct. Proprietary text messages ऐसा कुछ होता ही नहीं है, और ISO जो transaction है ISO 853, it is used for card transactions. It is used for card transactions. So C option is the correct answer. ठीक है जी. Moving on to the next question. देखते हैं अगला question क्या कहता है. Please pay attention everyone. So if I move on to the next question, the next question says, which of the following is a major emerging trend in banking technology? Isolated branch data centers. Isolated branch data centers? No sir. मैनुअल रिकंसाइलेशन प्रोसेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं. पेपर बेस्ड चेक क्लियरिंग ये तो खत्म ही हो गया. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड प्रिडिक्टिव एनालिटिक्स फॉर रिस्क एंड सर्विस personalization is the major emerging trend in the banking technology. So B option is the correct answer. Is it point correct? समझ आ रहा है? Let's move on to the next question now. अगला question देखते हैं क्या कहता है. Moving on to the next question. The next question talks about which of the following or which technology trend is most directly associated with open banking. अगर मैं open banking की बात करूं, API integration between banks and third-party apps. So open banking, it relies on API to share data securely with the third-party fintech. So this is correct. MICR is for checks. Branch network via VSAT is for branch connectivity. Manual ledger system is now outdated. So answer is going to be A option. अगला देखो. Let's move on to the next question. देखते हैं अगला question हमारे लिए क्या लेके आया. Question is very important and I'm pretty sure you will be able to answer it. What does the question say? The primary purpose of structured financial messaging system in India is, first, secure interbank financial message domestically. Okay. ATM switch management, cloud data backup, credit scoring for customers. No, sir. Secure interbank financial messaging or message exchange domestically. So if you are making a financial message and you want to transfer that message securely from one bank to another, that is done on structured financial messaging system. So answer is going to be A option. Which government digital initiative promotes direct benefit transfer to citizens through Aadhaar linked accounts? So we have JAM Trinity. It stands for Jan Dhan Yojana accounts plus Aadhaar card linkage with the accounts plus mobile banking activated on those accounts. NACH का इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. The next one is public financial messaging system. Yes. JAM. Yes. तो मिलाकर अगर हम बात करें both JAM Trinity as well as public financial messaging system they both are government digital initiative for digital benefit transfer. Moving on to the next question, 18th question of the evening. देखते हैं जरा इसका क्या आंसर होगा. What will be the question for you? Which of the following global technology trends most affects banking cyber security today? तो आज की डेट में साइबर सिक्योरिटी जो है वो इफेक्ट हो रही है किसकी वजह से? क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग एंड जीरो ट्रस्ट आर्किटेक्चर. बिल्कुल सर इसी की वजह से. यूज ऑफ मैनुअल तो बिल्कुल नहीं. लिमिटिंग ब्रांच आज नो. रिड्यूसिंग इनक्रप्शन लेवल्स नो. तो ये जो हो रहा है दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग एंड जीरो ट्रस्ट आर्किटेक्चर, जिसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं वी आर फीलिंग दैट हीट ऑफ साइबर सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज इन दी not only in India but on the global level. So that is the reason behind the same. Moving on to the next question, the impact of IT adoption on banking efficiency is most visible in, first one, a reduced transaction transparency. Nahi. Impact of IT adoption results in faster processing, customer convenience and cost efficiency. This is correct. Increased manual workload, no. Slower reporting cycles, no. So answer is going to be B option. Last question guys of the evening. Dekhte hain zara how many of you will able to answer it. So the question says NPCI product enables cash withdrawal and balance inquiry using Aadhaar authentication at micro ATMs. So in that particular case, UPI is for digital fund transfer, Bharat bill payment system is for bill payment, RuPay is card scheme, but yes, Aadhaar enabled payment system allows you to withdraw the funds in the form of cash, or even you can inquire your balance with the help of Aadhaar authentication. So answer is going to be B option. ठीक है जी, समझ आया? So if you want to download the PDF, it will be available on my Telegram channel. Do download it. Our crash course is live. Diwali sale is live. So use code MADHAV if you want to join PPB course, and if you want to join for all the 4, again use code MADHAV where you will get subscription for 6 plus 3 months, where you can, God forbids, if you are not able to clear this time, you will be eligible to prepare with us for your May attempt as well. And even you are paying just 2799 by using code MADHAV while enrolling yourself for JAIIB preparation with our platform. Thank you so much guys. Good luck. God bless you all. See you soon.